Drain line plug solid, man. Tried even 2,000 pounds pressure and I couldn't get through it going this way. Wow. Gnarly. That's why all the water overflowed. Couldn't get out. Okay, new defrost clock installed. I'm gonna put in a new low pressure control too. Sticks. And there's the old clock. Here it is. There's the old clock. Let me get my phone upside down. Hang on. Yeah, I'm more used to filming this way with the camera anyways. Oh my god. That points there on, would be 3. That would be your defrost. This would be your running 4. Yeah, so basically I just got to it and it was stuck, not going into defrost, froze up, evap. So 2014, this is 2021. Guess it only lasted about 6 years. Yep, there it goes. Noisy gears. I noticed the gears were noisy before. I knew it was gonna quit. I was gonna change it out next week. Didn't make it. Okay, change out the low pressure control, hopefully. Let's see, got it's like a 15-degree cut in and a 10-degree diff. That's what Heatcraft, that's what they want, that's their settings. So I'm gonna go set it up on the truck. I've got 10 PSI suction. Just gonna do a hot swap. Unscrew it, screw the new one on, boom bada boom, and just pumped it down to 10 pounds pressure, so just got a bit of pressure. That's it. And the refrigerant should go up and back, and shouldn't be any air in there. Should kind of purge itself if you let it just kind of be loose for a second. Okay, let's see about adjusting the slow pressure control to 15 with a 10-degree diff, 10-degree differential, and we're set just where the lines are. Let's see how accurate it is. Okay, Saturday night emergency freezer call. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna have nope, a little bit too much. Well, we'll see what our cutout is. You can hear the timer, I'm sure. That's not really going to help us, but we'll see. Okay, we'll see. Anyways, let me drop my pressure down a little bit here so I don't have quite so much. I'm going to open this really slow to try and get it to go to 25 or 15 really slowly. Yeah, that's pretty good, I think. And good enough for me. We got lucky. He's pretty much right on the money. Not gonna mess with it. Good to go. Well, that's got to be a first. These things being on the money. Okay. Okay. New low pressure control is in. I just tested it on the defrost. Pops down to about 6 or 7, something like that. Looks like nice. She's in. We'll put a new defrost clock in, and new low pressure control. Low pressure control was definitely sticking. I tested it probably last year, or actually this year sometime, and it was working fine. But it just all of a sudden started sticking. It would suck into a vacuum. Never shut off the unit. Only heard it shut off once, like in the last month or something. So keeping it running all the time, so it's not good. So that's pretty cool. All right, so hopefully that's it for tonight. For like midnight. Okay, get out of here. Well, it's holding nice and tight during defrost. Valves are good in the compressor. It's good. Okay, defrost amps 8.28, 8.3 is yeah, so all right, 8.3 amps defrost. Okay, we got this wire going to the bottom to the pan. We got 1.16 amps for the pan. The pan heater. It's not very many amps. So I'm gonna have to manually defrost that pan, I think. Because I don't know how many amps. I'm gonna have to call the factory, see how many amps that pan heater is supposed to be drawing. And the coil got 2 amps. We got a 1 point. I had 2 a minute ago. There we go. There's 2.236 or something. Okay. On that one, we got 8 on the whole thing. We got 7 or 8. Yeah, we got 8 amps, so everything's working. Just got to manually defrost that pan, I think. It's just too much ice. This all the stuff that came out of that drain. Gnarly. Drain was plugged up with stuff. Okay. Service coupling, you can take that apart. Just pull the bottom out of it, and there's no glue on that coupling, so you can take it out and wash it out in the sink. That's where the plug always gets clogged in those 90s. Clean the drain too. Super sanitized it. Probably first time it's been cleaned in 20 years. Okay.